Well, China says it will fight to the end as President Trump targets Beijing with more tariffs. But despite the tough talk, both sides say they are looking to de-escalate the trade war and save a summit between President Trump and the Chinese leader later this month. NewsNation's Marcus Espinoza is live with more. So, Marcus, what does this ultimately mean for all of us shoppers out there?
Hey, Kelly, well, it never means anything good, right? When each side is increasing port fees, that's never really good for our pocket, but we'll get into that in just a second here. This is really escalating between both parties right now. The trade industry waking up today to an increase in port fees for both U.S. cargo ships headed to China and Chinese vessels coming to the U.S. That after Beijing announced plans to match the Trump administration's new port fees on Chinese-owned and operated ships. So some analysts calling it a tit for tat right now. Starting today, China will be charging $56 per ton for goods shipped on U.S. vessels. This is nearly the same as the U.S. is now charging for imported goods from China. Both countries will increase fees over the next few years. Also new this morning, China announcing sanctions on a South Korean shipbuilder with ties to the U.S. Now, the new port fees kicking in just after President Trump posted on Truth Social the U.S. would impose 100% tariffs on Chinese goods as China cracks down on rare earth exports. But on Sunday, the president softened his tone there, basically saying to not worry about China, it's going to be fine, and he highly respects the president over there, just says he had a bad moment. Now, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent is working to bring down the temperature, telling Fox Business News Monday that the meeting between the two leaders later this month, that's still on, while President Trump has threatened to increase tariffs on Chinese goods. We import nearly 3 times as much from China as China does from the United States, giving Beijing leverage.
I think the last couple of months have shown that China is the only country that is able to also insert pressure on the U.S. government when it comes to trade.
Okay, so analysts say if things don't change soon, consumers will be feeling the pinch right as the holiday shopping rush hits.
If nothing else changes and they do not reach resolution on November 10th, then yes, it's going to hit consumers with higher prices, and there is a distinct possibility, a lack of goods on the shelves.
Okay, Kelly, so what does this mean for the stock market? Let's go ahead and take a look at futures here and see how they're looking at this point. Everything is down across the board. The Dow down a little more than 0.5% there. The NASDAQ just over 1% there, and S&P down just under 1% as well. So they are not enjoying what's happening between the United States and China right now. But hopefully, as mentioned by President Trump in that tweet, that things will calm down and they're able to meet in South Korea. So hopefully that happens and a resolution comes forward here.
Yeah, I think we can all.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.